Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. David and I are here to launch the partnership between GP59 and The CarCrowd. GP59, known for restoration of collectible and classic cars, and The CarCrowd.
We kind of exist to try and unlock collectible cars as an asset class for more people than ever before around the globe. We effectively create investment opportunities for people to own a part share or a fractionalised share in those assets and hopefully make some really good returns. When we came to visit Richard at GP59 and we saw the level of quality and also the level of community that the business had, well, why don't we look for people to actually syndicate a restoration project?
Now, Gavin, you're going to take everybody around and show them what we do. Be involved in a restoration, see it through and use it, and then it's still a valuable investment at the end of it.
Be able to join together to make key decisions on the car, work with people like Gavin to really feel involved and understand exactly what that restoration project is, but at a much lower water level than it might take to get involved otherwise. Keep that passion alive, keep that community alive.
And the amount of work and the amount of research that David and Suresh and The CarCrowd do is just, I've been absolutely blown away by it.